Yes, we have discussed in this topic about lithospheric plates. Lithospheric plates, endogenic forces, exogenic forces. Okay? We have discussed about exogenic forces and endogenic forces. Endogenic forces. So what are endogenic forces and what are exogenic forces? Endo means interior, exo means outer. Okay? So which forces works in the interior of Earth? They are endogenic. We have also discussed about lithospheric plates. है ना? Lithospheric plates के बारे में भी हमने डिस्कस किया था. Suppose this is crust, oceanic crust, then continental crust. ठीक है? And the factors which are working in the interior. In interior there is mantle and then there is core. And in the core there is molten magma. This all we have discussed. And what are the factors that are working in the interior of Earth? They are endogenic forces. And the factors which are working on the surface of Earth, they are exogenic forces. Okay? And then we have discussed, and yesterday I have told you one activity to do. How many of you have done that activity? Yes, I have told you one activity to do. How many students have done? Yes, Akriti, you have done? Yes, Akriti, yes, tell me about what you have observed in that activity. If you have attended the class, only then you will have to know about the activity. Okay, Akriti? Listen, Akriti. Yes, bache. Yes, Akriti, your voice is not coming. Yes, Akriti, you are not. Your voice is not coming properly. Okay, Bhavya, you may tell. Yes, Bhavya.
मैम मैंने ना पैन के अंदर ना पॉपकॉर्न रखे थे और मैम जब वो पॉप होते थे ना तो मैंने कुछ पीस भी रखे थे प्लेट के ऊपर तो मैम वो पीस ना मतलब कि हिलते थे अपनी जगह से.
Yes, you have kept peas on the lid.
Yes ma'am.
And popcorn inside.
Yes ma'am.
I have told you to boil the water. और आपने popcorn रख लिए.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, Anji, come here. Okay, good. You have done the activity. Yes, what you have observed?
Yes ma'am. Ma'am, I observed that. Ma'am, please, जब मैम वो हो रही थी ना मैम उससे sound vibrate हो रही थी मैम.
The lid was vibrating.
Yes ma'am.
When the water was boiling,
Yes ma'am.
the lid was vibrating. And what you have kept on the lid?
Ma'am, I kept peas on it.
Peas on it. Okay. So he has boiled the water, kept the lid on it, and on the lid he has kept some peas. So when the water was boiling, the lid was shaking, and the peas that were written on it, they were also shaking. Somehow fell down also. They were only shaking on the lid, only vibrating on the lid. Okay? So it means when the water was boiling, same is the condition in our earth also. In our earth, there is molten magma, and then molten magma is also boiling and moving in circulate motion. Okay? It is moving in circulate motion. Water is boiling like this. When the water boils, water boiling, all of you maybe have seen if you have gone in kitchen. ठीक है, then the water is boiling, circulating, the molten magma is circulating, and we have discussed about lithospheric plates, that these are lithosphere, it is divided into plates. There are different plates, they are called lithospheric plates, and it means they are separate, they are not joined together, there is some gap in between. Okay, and when this magma, it moves in circulate motion, so it also cause these plates to move. So these plates are also moving. What is the cause of moving of these plates? Molten magma. Okay, so molten magma is the cause of moving these plates, and this is endogenic forces, they are working in interior of Earth. In the same way, this is molten magma. Somehow this molten magma finds its ways here and it comes out here. यहाँ पे ये बाहर आ जाता है. It will be in the form of lava. ठीक है? So these are the sudden endogenic forces. These are endogenic forces working. So these are sudden endogenic forces working. This is our crust. Okay, and crust, lithosphere is divided into lithospheric plates. These plates are keep on moving due to the movement, circular motion of molten magma. Okay, as the lid was moving, and the movement, we are saying they are moving, and moving, how much they are moving? How much they are moving? Just few millimeters every year. Every year, just a few millimeters. ठीक है, सिर्फ few millimeters move कर रही हैं. So these are endogenic forces, and one of endogenic forces, sudden forces that we will discuss, volcano. ठीक है, this is sudden forces. कि suddenly there is one vent. This is our earth crust. Okay, suppose this is crust. Okay, there is a vent in our earth crust. There is a vent, and this vent, in this vent there is molten magma. This is mantle, and here it is core where the molten magma is here. The molten magma from here, it comes outside. Here it will be molten magma, and when it comes outside, then it will be lava. Okay, here this is the vent opening with the lava. What other things come outside? Gas and ashes. Okay, clear? So this is volcano. Volcano is also one of the endogenic forces. This is one of the changes in earth. So when lava is coming out, they are making new landform. न्यू, वहां पे पहले अगर कुछ नहीं था तो नया लावा वहां पे आ गया. देयर इज चेंज इन अर्थ सरफेस, अर्थ के सरफेस पे चेंज हो गया, एंड दैट चेंज वाज ड्यू टू एंडोजेनिक फोर्सेस, इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ. Forces were working, and we have observed change outside the earth, and this change was sudden. No, yes, mountains also form with the endogenic forces, and that is very slow process. This is sudden. Okay, suddenly lava come out, and it may cause the destruction also in the near places. जो near about places होते हैं वहाँ पे destruction भी होती है. ठीक है, so this is the sudden endogenic forces. There are also endogenic forces that are making mountains, जिससे कि mountains बन रही, and mountains such as these are plates. ठीक है, ये दो plates आपस में move कर रही है. ठीक है, these are two plates, they are moving. तो जब वो आपस में ऐसे, तो यहाँ पे ऐसे वो इकट्ठी हो जाती है तो माउंटेन्स बन जाती है. ठीक है, तो दिस इज वेरी स्लो प्रोसेस, 1000 से भी ज्यादा इयर्स लग जाते हैं. तो वी कांट ऑब्जर्व इन आवर लाइफ टाइम, हम अपनी लाइफ टाइम में तो ऑब्जर्व नहीं करते. ठीक है, तो दिस इज वेरी स्लो प्रोसेस, बट दिस इज सडन. ये सडन प्रोसेस है, दिस वी कैन ऑब्जर्व. ठीक है, तो मेकिंग ऑफ माउंटेन्स, जैसे कि हमने डायग्रामिकल किया था, डायस्ट्रोफिक फोर्सेस बिल्डिंग माउंटेन्स, and these are the sudden forces, volcano, earthquake and landslides, है ना. So two forces Endogenic we will discuss. First we have discussed volcano. So what is the definition of volcano? Volcano is a vent. Volcano is a vent through which molten magma erupts out. Erupts means comes out of the crust. ठीक है? So volcano is a vent. It is opening. कहाँ पे है opening? In the earth crust. It is an opening in earth crust. Earth की crust में opening है through which the molten magma comes out. ठीक है? So this is the definition of volcano. Now the second, sudden force. The second sudden force, endogenic force that can cause change on earth. ठीक है? So that is earthquake. So sir, these plates, they are continuously moving. Sometime there may be vibration at one point. हो सकता है किसी एक place पे vibrations हो गई, ठीक है, due to any reason. So वो vibrations क्या होंगी, आपस में vibrations फैलेंगी, और जहां पे vibration ज्यादा है वहां पे destruction भी हो सकती है, नहीं भी हो सकती है, यही हम स्टडी करेंगे. ठीक है? Suppose आपकी बुक में एक डायग्राम बना हुआ है. This is a plates. जैसे ये दो plates हैं. And this here, this is shown कि it is mantle, upper there is crust, and here it is mantle. ठीक है? And there is one epicenter. यहाँ पे vibrations has started due to these endogenic forces. Yes. So lithospheric plates and tectonic plates are the same. Lithospheric plates and tectonic plates are the same. Clear? So word has been changed. So now what is earthquake? So where there is one point where vibration started. यहाँ से vibration start हो गई, तो इसको हम ये point कौन सा point बन गया? Focus. From where the vibration has been started. So this is the position when lithospheric plates are moving. The surface of earth is vibrating. अब वो vibration किसकी वजह से है? Vibration may have started from one point. ठीक है? This vibrations, these are the vibration. उन vibrations को हम earthquake कहते हैं. ठीक है? When these plates move, then the surface of earth vibrates, and then the vibrations that we feel, that vibrations, they are just not here only. They move. They can travel. ठीक है? So when they can travel, so that is that vibration that travel around on the surface. ठीक है? Vibration generate कहाँ हुई? Interior of earth में. लेकिन हमने feel कहाँ की? On the surface of earth. So that vibration that has been travel to the surface of earth, they are called earthquake. उनको हमने क्या कहा? Earthquake. So this is also the sudden force, sudden endogenic force that we experience and that cause changes. Earthquake से भी changes आते हैं surface में. Sometimes destruction is there. Sometimes just we feel vibrations. ठीक है? We have also felt sometimes just vibrations of earthquake. Any one of you have felt the vibrations of earthquake? ठीक है? But here it was we were safe at all the time because that vibrations were very at less vibrations we have felt. ठीक है? But some places there are more vibrations, and that is earthquake of large magnitude. Earthquake को हम measure करते हैं कि जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे अगर earthquake that was of less magnitude, अगर ज्यादा magnitude का earthquake आया है तो it means वो destructive होगा, उससे destruction होगी. See? Yes, so that is we are going to discuss. So first place, सबसे पहले ये focus हो गया हमारा, where the vibration has been started, and the point above the focus. अर्थ में जो नीचे vibration start हुई है उसके बिल्कुल upper surface, यहाँ पे जो point है that is epicenter. वो point क्या होगा? Epicenter. ठीक है? Where the vibrations focus, and above the focus on the surface of earth, there is epicenter where the vibrations occur, and then vibrations travel around from the epicenter towards the surface of earth. Vibrations are more on the epicenter, and the areas which are away from epicenter, their vibrations can be less. ठीक है. सो ग्रेटेस्ट डैमेज अगर ज्यादा स्केल का है, दैट आर वी गोइंग टू डिस्कस. अगर ज्यादा स्केल का है तो ज्यादा डिस्ट्रक्शन कहाँ पे होंगी? एपिसेंटर. अब इसको हम मेजर कैसे करते हैं कि earthquake is destructive or not destructive? So that is, earthquake can be measured on seismograph. ठीक है, one machine is there, that is seismograph. On that machine earthquake is measured, and the scale where we measure this earthquake, that is Richter scale. Richter scale पे हम measure करते हैं, and if the earthquake is 2.1 or 2 point, then we just feel the vibration, no damage is there. But if the earthquake is 5.4 to 5, then some things may fall. ठीक है, such as this bottle may fall. ठीक है, so 4 to 5, but no more damage. But if this is of 6 to 7 Richter scale, then this Richter buildings may fall. There is lot of destruction. ठीक है, there is one example in your book, one case study of Bhuj area. Bhuj is of Gujarat. ठीक है, Bhuj is a very small area in Gujarat, and this is the case study as we have discussed in civics chapter also. One report about this area. So in this area, earthquake was of 6.9 scale. यहाँ पे जो earthquake आया था वो किसका आया था? 6.9 scale का. So it means it was very destructive. बहुत destruction हुई थी यहाँ पे. And it was on 26 January. Students were also in the schools. Students भी schools में थे, तो lot of destruction was there. Total area was destroyed. पूरा का पूरा भुज area destroy हो गया था. Water supply, electricity, all things were disturbed. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे जो earthquake का scale था वो ज्यादा था, 6.9 था. ठीक है, later on मतलब डिस्ट्रक्शन वहां पे इमरजेंसी भी डिक्लेयर कर दी थी. ठीक है, बहुत सारी फैसिलिटीज वहां पे गवर्नमेंट ने बाद में उनको अवेलेबल करवाई. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल. सो टिल नाउ द पॉइंट्स आर क्लियर. सो अर्थक्वेक वी कांट प्रिडिक्ट, कि हम प्रिडिक्ट नहीं कर सकते कि व्हेन इट विल बी अर्थक्वेक कब आएगा. वी कांट प्रिडिक्ट, बट वी कैन टेक सेफ्टी मेजर्स. ठीक है, हम सेफ्टी मेजर्स ले सकते हैं. Which safety measures we can take, such as safe sport? We can decide one safe sport. What will be the safe sport? It can be the corner of wall. It can be the outside in the ground. Okay, open area, or it can be the any hard surface, such as under the shelf of kitchen. Any hard surface if you are not able to go out at that time. So you can get yourself at any safe spot. First, you can do this. Second, you can have to stay away from fireplaces. If there are fireplaces, then you have to stay away from the fireplaces, chimneys, windows, doors. So you can stay in the corner of the wall, but not near the windows or wall. Okay? And then third, you have to be aware, alert, and confident to face the situation. Okay? So these precautions we can take about this earthquake. So up to these are two endogenic forces. First is the volcano. Second, this is the earthquake. So you can have to make these diagrams also. Okay, till now these two positions are clear. Okay, so these are the waves. जो बाकी हैं ये हमने ये भी आप लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, ये seismic waves हैं. Okay, that travels on the surface of earth. It causes vibrations also. Yes, any doubt till this now, beta? Yes, Bhavya.
यस मैम. मैम जो अर्थक्वेक मैम तब आता है जब मैम जो लिथोस्फेरिक प्लेट्स होती है मैम जो जॉइन होती है, टकराती है एक दूसरे से.
Yes, these lithospheric plates, they are not joined together. ये lithospheric plates हैं, ये joined नहीं है. These plates are moving. So when they are moving, at that time there can be vibration at some particular place. ठीक है? So earthquake prone zones भी होती है, जैसे कि किसी ऐसे areas है कि वहाँ पे earthquake mostly आते रहते हैं. There are also some areas that has been described as earthquake prone zones. ठीक है, तो वहां पे earthquake आते रहते हैं, but some areas they are away from earthquake zone, so there only vibrations can be felt. Okay. It depends on, such as in Nepal. Okay, in previous years in Nepal there was a destructive earthquake. Okay, and that is because here also the two plates have joined. Because of two plates have joined, Himalayas mountains. There has formation of Himalayas. Okay, we have discussed on the endogenic forces, diastrophic forces, making of mountains. So there are also two plates has joined together to form the mountains of Himalayas. So due to movement of these plates, the vibrations are more there in these areas. So that is why we are facing earthquake. So where the vibrations are more, their earthquake can be more magnitude. Okay, the away from areas, they may the away from the which are areas away, so their vibrations can become. Okay, so this is maybe the reason. Any other doubt? That is some place we can say things may fall, but it may be not destructive. Okay, we can feel vibrations. Yes. Clear? We can feel vibrations, but no harm will be there. Harm will be if near 6 point or more than 6. Then it is destructive. Yes, most destructive. Yes, Vachin. When we, yes, when drill machines, the some vibrations we feel. More vibrations are there where we are making the hole, and less vibrations can be away from that point. Okay? Yes. So earthquake, this focus is in mantle. Okay? This focus in mantle, and this epicenter is on crust. On epicenter means on the surface of earth. Okay? Hanji Bhavesh. Why you have raised your hand, Bhavesh? Okay.
मैम
Rest
आपकी
of the
आवाज नहीं आ
students,
रही.
my voice is reachable because rest of the students are giving responses also.
मैम my voice is not reachable.
To you it is not reachable, but other students they are saying it is okay. Okay, so you can write your queries side by side in chat box. Okay, to rest of the student it is audible. So these two are the sudden forces of which forces? Endogenic forces. Now we will talk about exogenic forces. Okay, exogenic forces which work on the surface of Earth. These two are also causing change in our Earth, on the surface of Earth. So these exogenic forces, they are also causing change on our Earth. These exogenic forces are weathering and erosion. Okay, weathering and erosion. So weathering and erosion. Weathering means कि maybe wearing of rocks. जो rocks का material है, जैसे rocks हैं, there are many rocks on our earth. तो उन rocks में there can be cracks. That rocks may be broke down. ठीक है? That is weathering. और erosion, when the material on our earth surface it is wearing away, it is eroded from one place. एक जगह से, जैसे suppose, yes, suppose these are mountains, okay, and from the mountains one river is flowing, and if the river is flowing, then when it was flowing from the mountains, it is carrying with its water the soil, sand, pebbles, whatever it is in way. When the water is flowing, it will carry all the material with it. And when will it come to plain area, its speed will be slow. Then it will deposit all the material. Some it may carry till the ocean. Okay? Some it may carry, some it may deposit here. So this is also cause changes. How it cause changes, that we are going to study. Okay? About these exogenic forces. So weathering, what is weathering? Weathering is the breaking up of rocks. ठीक है, breaking up of rocks कहाँ पे? On the earth surface, अर्थ की सरफेस के ऊपर ही. एंड सेकेंड इरोजन. इरोजन क्या है? वेयरिंग ऑफ लैंडस्केप, कि जो भी वहां पे लैंड फॉर्म बना हुआ है, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस कि किस तरह का लैंड फॉर्म बना है, कैसे चेंजेस आएंगे. वेयरिंग अवे ऑफ लैंड फॉर्म्स बाय डिफरेंट एजेंट्स. अब ये जो इरोजन है, इट इज ड्यू टू डिफरेंट एजेंट्स. व्हाट आर द एजेंट्स? एजेंट्स आर वाटर, wind and ice. ठीक है? Yes, we will discuss. First, suppose water. If the rainfall is there and you have kept one heap of sand in out of the ground, after heavy rain, you will not find that. Heavy rain के बाद आपको नहीं मिलेगा वो. ठीक है? That will be wear away with the water. Maybe small sand or that soil it can be there. But most of it will be wearing away with the water. ठीक है? Then wind, where there are deserts, there are just sand all around, and when wind flows, it carries sand with it. ठीक है? From one place to another. We will study this in detail. Then ice, when glaciers, large pieces of ice from the mountains, it moves slowly. One you may have heard the news of breaking of glacier in Kedarnath. So that was, most of the destruction was caused due to the breaking up of glacier. One glacier has broken and it has eroded many material and caused destruction also. So that is also erosion has taken place. ठीक है? Where there are mountains, there are also glaciers. Ice are also there on the top of mountains. ठीक है? So this is also the work of glacier, ice also. ठीक है? So these are three agents. Agents किसके हैं? Erosion के. Clear? So these three exogenic forces we will discuss. कि how a river works. What is the work of river? What is the work of sea waves? Sea waves comes and goes at the coast of the ocean. ठीक है? Then what is the work of wind? What is the work of ice? ठीक है? This we will discuss. So any doubt till now? Weathering and erosion is clear. What is the difference between weathering and erosion? What is the difference between weathering and erosion? Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, Rishta. Weathering is, it is the erosion of, erosion नहीं word use करना, erosion तो second हो गया ना, breaking up of rocks. ठीक है? Weathering breaking up of rocks, good. ठीक है? और erosion wearing away of landscape. ठीक है? कि एक जगह से कोई चीज it has been carried away from one place to another. तो हमने वर्ड क्या यूज किया? wearing away of landscape. ठीक है? by different agents. These are the different agents. ठीक है? yes रिशिता.
Yes, ma'am. मैम मैंने डिफरेंस बताना था, आप अभी पूछ रहे थे ना.
हाँ जी, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Weathering is the breaking up of rocks on the earth's surface, and ma'am, erosion is the wearing away of the landscape by different agents like water, wind, and ice.
Yes. ठीक है? so this is erosion and weathering. In erosion, the material is carried from one place, it is eroded from one place, and it is deposited at other place. ठीक है? eroded from one place, deposited at other place. So this help in creation of new landforms. इससे भी नए landforms बनते हैं. So first we will discuss about the work of river. ठीक है? जैसे अभी थोड़ा सा आइडिया तो हमें हो ही गया है what will be the work of river. ठीक है? because it river, it starts from the mountains as the Ganga river. Ganga river is just start from a very small place, and when you can see in Uttar Pradesh, it is very large area it has occupied. ठीक है. So because here its speed was also very much and speed is here its speed also slowed down. ठीक है, speed भी कम होगी. The material it was carrying with it, it started depositing when it come to the, because Uttar Pradesh it is plain area. ठीक है, it starts from Uttarakhand, that is hilly area, mountainous area in the Himalayas. Yes, all of you know about the states, and states are clear to you. Where is Uttarakhand? Okay, if I have drawn here the map, suppose 1 minute. Come here and draw. Yes, come here and draw the. Where is Uttarakhand? Where is Uttarakhand? Yes, any other doubt? No one is having the doubt? Okay. Yes, this is Uttarakhand. Yes, good. And where is Uttar Pradesh? Yes, here is Uttar Pradesh. And where this river Ganga goes, it falls into ocean. Where it falls into ocean? Okay, that maybe you have not done. Okay, Bay of Bengal. Okay. Yes. So the river Ganga, it starts from Uttarakhand. Okay. River Ganga starts from Uttarakhand, from Uttar Pradesh, then it goes into West Bengal and then Bay of Bengal. Okay. So this is the way of river. So river has its fixed path. इसका एक fixed रास्ता है, रास्ता नहीं change होएगा. It will not start moving like this. ठीक है? So river has its fixed path, and on its fixed path, it keeps the work of this erosion. ठीक है? The work of erosion that is on its fixed path only. Okay? So now you have to revise all this topic till this point. ठीक है? Major landforms that are being created with these exogenic forces. Then we will continue with the work of river.